Hello guys, welcome again to another video of the KDF channel. Today I'll be working on this 2012 Toyota Corolla. This is the LE version, and I wanted this car to look a little bit better. So I'm gonna show you how can you install these wheels that are very similar to the 17-inch of the Corolla S. These ones right here. These ones are from Scion FRS or Subaru BRC or Toyota GT86. They are 5x100. Let's see in the back. They should say Subaru right there. Japan 17x7, and I think the offset is 48. Right now I have these tires are 215, 45, 17, but you can also do 225, 45, 17. They're gonna look really good. So this is a really good option if you're trying to find wheels for the Corolla. You know, the OEM are getting very expensive, and this is a cheap solution. I found these ones for $200. They range between $200 to, let's say, $400 with tires. So it's a really good solution. So here's the problem. I'm gonna do this one with one hand. It's kind of difficult, but here you can see the wheel fits because it's 5x100, but it touches or rubs the brake caliper. I'll show you where it scratches the wheel. You see there? It scratches the wheel, so it won't work if you just want to buy these wheels and install it. So what you have to do, you have to get a spacer like this one, right? And that way it's gonna look better because it's gonna come out 1 inch. I don't recommend going more than 1 inch because I think it's not that secure or safe, and also it's gonna damage really quick the wheel bearing. So this is the best option, 1 inch. So this is another problem. This spacer, I didn't find anything for Corolla, so these are for Subaru. The thing is that the thread of these bolts are 12 by 1.25 and Toyota are 12 by 1.5. So you have to find these these nuts here, right? This is gonna fit with this one right here, and then you have to buy a special for the Subaru spacer like this one, but this is 12 by 1.5. This one fit here, so I gotta find a 12 by 125. You see, they stop, they don't go. So we'll install all the spacers like I did on this one. It's already installed. It's stored with, I think I used 95 pounds. It's good for this one. So let me do all four, install the wheels, and then I'll keep explaining what to do. So you might be wondering how I'm gonna make this Scion center cap look like a Toyota. So I got you covered on this one. I bought this. They are called center cap stickers. They are made of like a soft aluminum, but they really look like an original center cap. At the back of it, obviously there's adhesive, and you just have to place it in the middle, and this the adhesive is so strong that's gonna stay there, I would say, forever, unless you remove it. You have to be careful with this because you got only one chance, and I'm doing it with one hand. Look at this. There you go. You have a brand new Toyota Corolla center cap. Let's back to the wheels. This is the final result. I already installed everything. As I come closer, you can take a look at the spacer. It looks really nice because it gives you, I would say, it's almost with the fender, but it's safe because we gotta make sure that if you hit a bump or something, or you have a lot of weight, it won't rub with the tire. But it's looking really good. Look at this. I already installed the center caps, as you can see right there. Remember I told you about the lug nuts? These are this is M12 by 1.25, and the Toyota, the ones that are attached to the spacer, is M12 by 1.5. So that's it. That's all for today. Thank you for watching another video. I hope you like this one. I hope you can find these wheels for your Corollas. It works for that one. It works for this Corolla too. This one is waiting. If I can get a set of wheels like that one. You see how ugly it looks with the covers. Obviously, with wheels, look much better. Well, thank you for watching my videos. So please don't forget to subscribe. I see you on the next one.